Hi friends, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. Welcome to Spring MEC tutorial. In the earlier video, we were looking at what is model view in Spring MEC. In this video, I just want to talk about what is controller annotation in Spring MEC. What is a controller annotation in Spring MEC? In Spring 2.5 introduced support for annotation based MVC controllers. Controller annotation indicates that a particular class serves the role of a controller. It is just to specify a class is going to serve the role of a controller. And controller annotation helps for auto detection. Spring has a support for detecting component class in the class path and auto registering bean definitions for them. Okay, such that controller annotated classes are registered as beans in the Spring context. So there's going to be auto detection, there's going to be a scan for the packages, and automatically all the classes that are annotated with @service, @controller, @repository will be registered as bean in the Spring context. Using annotation based controller means we do not need to extend some defined base classes, and we do not need to implement some specific interface. You don't have to extend, or there is no coupling happens when you use an annotation. I just want to show you the code how exactly Spring starts scanning the packages. If you go to the config class, web app config class, there is an annotation called component scan. Earlier we were using the XML file to do the same thing, but now you can use annotation. So this component scan, you can give the package details. Okay, so this component scan, it's coming from the Spring framework. You can give the package details here. What does it mean when you give package details? Package in the package explorer, we have a form interview dot takes little time. So Spring container is going to, so this is the packages, so com interview dot, so all these packages will be scanned. So com interview dot, this is what I'm giving to the Spring context. So Spring is going to scan all these packages, so controller, DAO, init, model, service, so all these packages will be scanned. That's what it means. So if I give here something like DAO, only the DAO packages will be scanned, and other packages will not be scanned at all. That means though you have mentioned bean annotations in the other packages, it will not be considered, so you will be getting an error. So better to give the base package for scanning. Okay, so now we have given the component scan. So when I start the Spring application context, it will start scanning the complete package, and it will start finding out @controller. So this is the one we are talking about, controller annotation. It's just to specify this controller is a controller, and it will start registering this class as a bean in the Spring application context. Then component scan is the latest one. Earlier we were using in the XML file. The dispatcher will start from the base package and scan for beans that are annotated with controller annotation, and will look for request mapping. Controller annotation just tells the container that this bean is a designated controller class. Okay, so this is the one I was talking about. So this request mapping and the controller, this controller just to identify the controller, and request mapping is for the URL mapping. So just now I talked about control annotation in Spring MVC. In the next video we can see what is request mapping annotation. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.